I am going to show you how to get a phisher, otherwise known as someone you accidentally gave your password to. I'm going to help you get that phisher off of your Facebook account. So you're going to want to open up your Facebook app, and then in the top right hand corner, you're going to want to touch your avatar so you can access your options. And then up in the top right hand corner, you're going to touch the gear icon. Now you're going to touch the Meta Accounts Center, and we're going to scroll down to Passwords and Security, and we're going to scroll down again to where you're logged in. Now the Meta Account Center handles your Facebook account and your Instagram account, so you're going to probably want to do this on both accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Facebook account. Give it time to load up. Now the one at the very top is supposed to be your device that you're using. Everything else below where it says other logins, I want you to hit select all. And then at the very bottom, I want you to select log out. And go ahead and log them out. And you're going to do the same thing for your Instagram page. Even though I only have one device signed in, you do the same system. Okay, so now that you got everybody logged out, you're going to want to scroll back and go to change password. And you're going to want to change password for your Facebook account. And then also do the same thing for your Instagram account. If you're going to do one, do both. It makes your security better. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to go back to two-factor authentication. And you're going to want to do this for both accounts as well. And you're going to want to put in your password and everything to continue. And once you do that, you want to pick some kind of two-factor authentication. The bare minimum is the text message SMS. I also suggest recognized devices, and check to make sure that you're the only one that's recognized so far on this when you do this. And I also highly suggest, if possible, to use the authentication app, because that's a lot better. Oh, here, let me go back there again. This is a lot better, a much better security option to keep people from stealing your passwords. Because if they take your password, they don't have the password that the authenticator app makes, because that makes a new password for you I think it's every 30 seconds or something like that. And that is it. Make sure that you do it all for both your Facebook and your Instagram. It's best to just, if you're going in there, go ahead and do it right. And you want to update your security to something better. I use physical hardware keys. You can't steal a physical hardware key over an email. Anyways, y'all take it easy, and later.